Hello friends, wherever you are. Welcome back to GenBisoft's YouTube channel. With me, Agree. Okay, this time we're updating our Katakana learning app from GenBisoft, called Gen Writing Katakana. This time, we're updating it to version 2.0. Previously, in version 1.0, we focused solely on basic characters or letters. This update includes basic Katakana, Seian, Dakyuten, Handakuten, and Yun, which are derived Katakana. We also include markers for double consonants and long vowels, as well as katakana with special sounds, garigo, commonly used for pronouncing foreign loanwords. This is a great reference and guide for you, wherever you are. You can keep a record of katakana letters on your pocket or smartphone, allowing you to learn and visualize them wherever you are, and even practice on the spot. You can do all of this offline, because there's no server connection except to display ads. So I hope this helps you learn and memorize katakana. We've also received some feedback, but we can't promise to add these features yet. We're sticking with banner ads in this app, so we hope it won't bother anyone using it. Although the revenue generated will be minimal, as I'm currently using only banners. But perhaps we could consider offering a paid version without ads if it's feasible. Oh yeah, you can also use this as a guide if you want to learn to write on paper, so you can see the visuals directly on your smartphone. Okay, so that's all the information for this time regarding Gen Writing Katakana Japanese. I hope it's helpful. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, 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 thank you.